Hello and welcome everyone to English Motivational Short Stories. In a small, bustling town lived two best friends, Leo and Maya. They both dreamed of opening a bakery together, a place filled with the warm scent of fresh bread and sweet pastries. Leo was a brilliant baker, his hands working magic with dough and sugar, while Maya was a visionary with a sharp mind for business and design. They found the perfect little shop on a corner street and poured all their savings into it. The first few months were a whirlwind of excitement and hard work. Their bakery, the Rolling Pin, quickly became a local favorite. Leo would bake from dawn till dusk, and Maya managed everything else, from customer service to marketing. However, as their popularity grew, so did the pressure. One day, a famous food critic announced a surprise visit to their town, and every eatery was buzzing with anticipation. Leo, wanting to create the perfect masterpiece for the critic, decided to invent a new, complex cake. He spent days locked away in the kitchen, experimenting with exotic ingredients and difficult techniques, ignoring his usual duties of baking the daily bread and pastries. Maya grew increasingly worried. The shelves were often half empty, regular customers were disappointed, and the shop's friendly atmosphere was replaced by tension. She tried to talk to Leo, explaining that their strength was in their classic, beloved recipes and their consistent quality. "This is our one big chance, Maya," Leo argued, his eyes tired but fiery. "We need to impress him with something extraordinary, not the same old bread." Their disagreement turned into their first real fight. Maya felt unheard, and Leo felt unsupported. The day the critic was rumored to arrive, the tension was unbearable. Leo's magnificent cake was finally ready, a towering creation of spun sugar and delicate layers. But the display cases were nearly bare. An old man, a regular customer named Mr. Chun, came in looking for his usual rye bread. When Maya sadly told him they were out, he looked at Leo's frantic preparations and said gently, "A beautiful palace is nothing without a strong foundation. People come here for your heart, not just for a show." His words struck Leo like lightning. He looked at Maya's weary face, the empty shelves, and his grandiose cake. He realized he had been so focused on a single moment of glory that he had neglected the very soul of their dream, the daily joy they brought to their community. With a heavy heart, he sliced his special cake and offered a piece to Mr. Chun. Then he turned to Maya, his eyes filled with regret. "I'm sorry," he whispered. "You were right. We built this place together, for everyone, every day." That was their emotional turning point. The food critic never showed up that day, but something more important happened. Leo and Maya reconnected. They spent the evening not in silence, but in conversation, reaffirming their shared vision. From the next day on, Leo returned to baking his wonderful, consistent array of breads and pastries. But he also set aside one day a week to experiment with a weekly special, balancing his creative passion with the needs of their business. The Rolling Pin became more successful than ever, not because of a critic's review, but because it was built on a foundation of teamwork, consistency, and a deep respect for their customers and each other. Their friendship, once strained, was now stronger, a testament to their ability to overcome challenges together. Moral of the story: true success isn't about a single moment of spectacular achievement, but about the consistent effort and heart you put into your work every day. It's the small, steady actions and the strong relationships you build that create lasting value and fulfillment. Don't lose sight of your foundation while chasing a distant star. If you enjoyed this story and want more wisdom for your life journey, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to English Motivational Short Stories for regular inspiration.